Introducing first in the blue corner, Choi Jo-Yeon!
Choi Young-yoon, 26 years old, female fighter from South Korea, stands at 5 feet 9 inches, weighing at 135 pounds. Malaking babae ito. Choi Young-yoon. They're removing her tape sa ankle. Pinagbawalan ng ating officials.
This is our
ninth bout
and our first female bout in a while.
Yes, it's been a while.
Oo.
Tapos international fight pa.
Oo.
Mas mataas pa siya kaysa sa ating Catman.
Oo.
And her opponent in the red corner, Angelica Aviles!
From the red corner, Angelica Aviles. She's 23 years old, stands at 5 feet 2 inches, weighing in at 135 pounds. Her opponent is 7 inches taller than her.
Oo.
Pero syempre nakita natin lumaban nun si Angelica, napakatibay itong babaeng ito. Choi Jung-yeon versus Angelica Aviles. Choi Jung-yeon, 7 inches taller than Angelica Aviles.
Yun pa yung isa, we don't see a lot of tall women compete in the URCC.
Oo, napakadalang yan.
Round 1. Our referee charge, Giselle Del Rosario.
Our third lady inside the URCC cage. Referee Giselle Del Rosario.
A women's bout officiated by a woman.
Yes.
Interesting.
Round 1, bakbaka na.
Yes.
Let's see if Choi can utilize her long reach against Angelica Aviles. Choi pressing Angelica against the fence right now. And she brought her down on full mount position.
Aviles is trying to...
And Choi is trying to finish the fight early right now. Pumapasok lahat ng masuntok doon
Her being the longer and taller fighter and being on top of Aviles is not helping in this case. It's going to be very challenging for Aviles to get out of this position.
And that's it. Early finish for Choi Jung-yun against Angelica Aviles. On the very first round, tapos kagad sa full mount position. That was a quick finish for Choi Jung-yun. On the very first round. And while we wait for the official announcement of the winner, we'd like to thank, we'd like to greet a happy birthday to the URCC president and founder, Alvin Aguilar. Happy birthday, Professor Alvin Aguilar.
Winner in the blue corner, Choi Jung-yun.
So it's official. Choi Jung-yun